Boss Gang? Welcome back to Boss Level Trading, and I'm Cliff. I want to give you guys a quick update of what we got going on. So we're currently in a position and we are down, and so we're actively managing the trade. And so I think this is pretty awesome for people to see how to actively manage some margin crypto trading. And so it's a little bit different than trading forex, trading stocks. Just the way that this platform's set up, I really like the way it's set up. There's a few different ways to protect yourself when you're trading, and so I've been using those and had some of my safeguards activated to make sure that we, I guess, keep us in the trade while it plays out. And so I want to show you guys some pictures, because at one point we were down pretty heavy. Show you guys kind of the progression. And so there's the first screenshot that I took of where we're at as soon as it loads. And so we got right here. So we were down, entry was here. We were down, 21% on the position. So that was the first one. And then I'll show you guys this one as well. We were down pretty big, and on this example here, like, price really started to go up. And so notice that this was the amount that we were in at the time, and then from there, as price was going up, we had one of our safeguards activate. Hence, now you guys see the position size is here. So not only did we have a safeguard activate, I actually was looking at the charts, and I was like, where's price highly likely to actually reverse from, and actually placed another sell position up here. And so as you guys are seeing this, you can see that there's multiple ways to actively manage your trades when you're currently in it. And I know a lot of people say don't add to a losing position, and so I'm overall bearish on Bitcoin at this point, at least for a little bit, just because it did have a quick move up. I think that move, and I talked about it on one of my other videos, to where basically this level here was going to be a level to take out stops. Basically, they wanted to push the market up, take out stops, or get the people who would experience FOMO, get them super excited about what's going on, and then just drop the market from there and go retest some other levels. And so I'll kind of show you guys the levels I think are going to get retested. And again, anytime you're looking at or you're watching any videos or see anything online, definitely just realize, like, if you're going to follow somebody else's analysis, you're risking your own money. You're choosing to risk your own money, and so trade at your own risk. Just realize that trading in itself is risky. You can lose every single penny that you invested potentially. So just use common sense, people, I guess, is what I would say. I don't want anybody coming after me saying that they listened to anything I said and therefore they lost their shirt, their socks, and their left earlobe is gone all of a sudden since they took the trades that I said they should take, or I was just showing some analysis or something like that. So what I'm thinking is, we have multiple reasons I think the market's gonna reverse from this part down here and then start tanking towards this area, towards around 11,000. I think we're gonna see 11,000 here pretty soon, maybe sometime this week, maybe in the next day or two. I don't know exactly when, but I think we're gonna see 11,000. And again, I could be completely wrong, and I'd be totally fine being completely wrong. Over my years of trading, I've gotten to the point where I'm very non-emotional about my trading. And so you can see here, currently down on this position, and it's actually starting to move in my favor now. So that's exciting, to where, let's say, even though I originally entered way down here, and obviously the market started to take off. And at one point when I woke up this morning, the market was in my favor and I was up maybe 7%, but being up 7% doesn't actually cover what I needed to cover for me to feel like I made money on the trade. And so I could have easily closed the position, and in hindsight, I probably should have closed the position at that point, and then took some buys because we had a lot of momentum, obviously, going up, and made some money there. But the whole point is to just realize, okay, cool, there's ways to trade, Bitcoin without just holding it forever, without just hoping it reaches 30,000 this Christmas or whatever. There's ways to trade it on a daily basis and make money. And so on these positions, I'm overall bearish right now on Bitcoin until it retests some other areas. and then, proves that it wants to go higher past the previous, recent high of 12,500 or something like that. So what we may do is, as soon as it gets past, our average price, we'll start to see ourselves go into profit just based upon the positions that we have open. And, if we see a pretty major drop and we see a really good return on risks, I may just close it at 30%, something like that, and just take that, and that'll be actually pretty awesome to just get out at 30% or whatever. But if it just continues to show that it really wants to tank, we'll see. Really figuring out the way I'm gonna be trading, because originally I'm a swing trader in Forex, scalp to swings trader, I should say, and so trying to adapt the way I'm gonna look at the markets in Bitcoin, just still figuring that out. But really am digging the Bit7 platform. It is super awesome. If you guys want to potentially start trading leverage crypto, definitely I do recommend this broker. Pretty awesome. Simple platform, just super easy buttons. You just deposit Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is the only thing you can deposit and withdraw from the website. And so even though you can trade Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple, you're going to do Bitcoin in and Bitcoin out. And if you're going to actually convert, crypto exchange. So from there, if you want to, obviously Bitcoin, and then if you're like, hey, I want to trade Ethereum, you're going to convert your Bitcoin to Ethereum, and then at that point you can actually trade Ethereum. And yeah, so I really am digging this platform, and so far everything's been really good. You guys have probably noticed my balance is higher than, significantly higher than it was yesterday. And so what I did was I made another small deposit, just to like really be able to protect my positions, because I wanted to be able to actually have some reinforcements be able to kick in. So yeah, not a big deal. I told you guys I was contemplating whether to deposit more anyways, because I'm like, hey, haven't lost a trade yet. So far 3-0. But who knows, I could totally lose this trade, like totally just moon, as most people want to say. Could totally go to 80,000 overnight or something like that, right? It could happen. But like I told you guys, I'm bearish currently on Bitcoin, and yeah, so we'll see how it plays out. Just wanted to at least document this so we can see, how things are playing out. You guys can see if I'm crazy, if I'm, just a weirdo. You guys can see all that fun stuff. But yeah, but just in case you guys are wondering, I am crazy and I'm definitely a weirdo. But yeah, it's cool. I mean, I think you are too. But I don't know what this is that's playing. I usually don't listen to music like this, but I just got it on random playlist, and it's kind of epic actually. I kind of like it. But yeah, so I just wanted to check in with you guys. Definitely, subscribe and hit the notification bell, because pretty soon I'm going to be doing sessions. And so once I get, everything rolling like I want to, I'll be doing some actual trading sessions live, to where we'll be like, not just like updating you guys on trades and everything like that. It'll be like, hey, so get ready guys, we're about to have an entry potentially getting ready to happen. And there's not very many people on YouTube, or even on Instagram for that matter, that will show you their positions when they're down on them currently. They'll like, totally like edit that stuff out, or they're totally just be like, nope, I'm gonna act like I never even made a video, that type of thing. So for me, doing the whole live thing every single time just makes it so that, hey, it uploads automatically. There's nothing I can do to try to edit it. You guys are gonna, if I win, you guys see it. If I lose, you guys see it. But you guys are gonna, know like, hey, cool, this guy is somebody who, hey, win or lose, he wasn't trying to hide anything from us. So anyways, guys, that's pretty much all I got for you guys right now. Do hope that you guys enjoy the rest of your day and stay out of trouble. And remember, you're pretty awesome. At least most of you.